Hello to all viewers. Today, we are going to unbox a new Anern ECO-4200 hybrid inverter. This is a 24-volt inverter with power output up to 4.2 kilowatt and supports up to 6 kilowatt solar panel. I bought this unit from online store and it arrived 5 days later. As you can see, the packaging is very good. It is enclosed on 2 carton boxes which protects the item from being damaged. The only accessories included in this package is the Wi-Fi module and the Wi-Fi cable. To connect the inverter to the network, you will need to download the Smart ESS application on your mobile phone. Now, let's take out the main unit itself from the box. Wow, this inverter felt solid and build quality seems good. I chose Anern among the mid-tier inverter as this company is ISO certified. ISO certification meant the company passes international quality standard. As per the label, this model is ECO-4200 hybrid solar inverter. The front panel is clean, the display panel is here, and the cover for the wiring connection. Here at the bottom, all the necessary connections are here. The AC input which accepts 230 volt. Next is the main AC output that supports up to 4200 watts, followed by secondary AC output up to 1400 watts. Below it are the connections for the BMS and Wi-Fi dongle together with the ground connector. Moving to the middle is the battery positive and negative terminal connection. Lastly, at the right side is the solar panel input. At the right side, you will see the inverter specification, the power button, and the air vent. This inverter can handle total of 500 volts and up to 6,200 watts solar panel. On top, just the fixed mounting bracket. At the left side is another air vent, and at the back is just 2 rubber feet at the bottom. That's all for the unboxing for this video. Thank you for watching.